Here we have Winter Weather Wonderland. There's my grill, my garbage can. It's the streets are white with plenty of tire tracks, so some people are willing to brave the weather. It's not as thick as what I thought it was going to be, but then again, the news said we got a break in the storm right now, and then it's going to get worse weather this afternoon, so maybe the whole yard will be white before long. Not to mention it was like in the 50s last week, so the ground is probably still warm enough to melt some of it. But not the trees. My poor trees have icicles all over them. Let's see if I can get brave and walk closer to that tree. I don't want to fall on my ass. I need to trim this branch off once the weather's better, but there's like some ice starting to accumulate on the branches. Not too exciting yet, but if the news is right, then this afternoon it'll be worse. There's all kinds of warnings about the icy road conditions, but still yet lots of tire tracks on the street, so some people are driving. Not me. I'm staying home today. In fact, I'm going inside right now because it's cold out here.